Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to add screen lock on DOOGEE V40 Pro. Let's go! Okay guys, so all you need to do is you need to go to settings and you scroll down a little bit to security and privacy. Then you scroll down a bit again, you click device unlock. Then as you can see here, screen lock, click it and then you click, for example, pin, pattern or password. I will use pin 1, 2, 3, 4 because it needs to be 4 digits. Next, then you need to re-enter it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see, you can choose if you want notification to show on screen lock. I will choose it, then done. As you can see, it's locked, the screen lock is added. I need to enter the pin 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.